What's up, guys? So we're gonna play on the TV. Oh yeah, just connect it. We need to. Okay, it's definitely connected. Definitely. Kuya, I want to play on the TV. Please. Maybe I know how now. Not my Nintendo? I didn't mean that. Now, where's the remote of the TV? Where's the remote? Today we're gonna play Little Nightmares. Sorry it's taking so long. The controllers. What's it called? Oh yeah, I forgot. I need to connect the charger also. Oops, guys. I need to connect the charger. So I'm just gonna put it right here on the bed. Kasi you can use it as a charger. All of the buttons are pushed here, and I was locked. Now we're able to do it. Sometimes I watch this movie. Yeah? Si Charlie, si Bella, baka mamawala yung dalawa. Let's go over here. I did it by myself. Now. Woo! Oh, hell no. I'm ready in this part. I stopped on this part because I forgot I need to vlog kasi it's more better on the TV. That's the scary part, guys. Go! It's all about parkours and secrets and no! Don't do that. You might die. Stop doing that. I was holding. Wait, guys, wait. I'll find something. Wait, I need to take off these things. the protection here. Kasi my Nintendo's broken, I think. Boss. It's also dirty. Oh my god, it's so weak. It's so weak. We bought this kasi it'll be more fatter. Wait, I'll find something for controllers. There's nothing for controller in my bag. Okay, I know where to find it. So, this is the charger. Boy, I got it. Chill. Sheila. I need to run and jump. Sprint and jump.